All right, so for this week, we've got a few things going on. So really fast, this first Socratic seminar that's posted on there, that was the one we did on Friday. I posted it under this week because it's going towards fourth quarter's grade. Um, for this week, you'll need to read at least page 115 and take both quizzes on Canvas on the reading on Fahrenheit 451. You will also need to read um, the poem If and complete the TP cast assignment and the short story Harrison Bergeron, which we read in class and completed a graphic on or created a graphic for. Now, if you weren't here that day, you may have to come in or email me on that assignment for the details on that graphic. And I want to talk to you about that, so please let me know what's going on. You have a discussion board that's due on Wednesday. Uh, it's going to ask you the question, is college essential for success? And you're going to define if it's essential for success financially or if there's a different form of success that you want to look at with it. If you have any questions on it, let me know. Okay. The last thing that we're looking at this week on Friday, we're going to get into groups and put together questions based on the reading at this point. And we're going to have a Socratic seminar in each group and then as a class. So we'll put together those questions as a group. If you are absent for whatever reason, you'll need to put together a list of 10 questions from the book or comments you have of the book on your own and turn that in as a substitute for it. So that's what we are doing for this week. I know it's a crash course, but if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Thanks, guys.